Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how you can change your privacy setting to join private server. So guys, first you head to Roblox, go to roblox.com as you can see here, and from here go to this top right here corner, go to setting, press setting and come this page. From here guys, go to privacy and you from here choose your setting and what you want to do guys. Make sure all of this either is set to friends or everyone. Then you can, when you scroll down other setting as you can see here, can make member of the private server. Now make sure this not set and make sure either friends and or everyone depending who you want to join private server, and you can just choose everyone if you want to everyone to be able to make a member of their third server as you can see change. And that is basically how you can do guys. I hope this video for you. Don't forget like, share this video for more content.